This screencast is to show you how to ensure that the Solver add-in is installed on Excel. So the add-ins control will be found under Options, under File, or under Preferences, depending on your installation of Excel. So I click on File for this version, going to Options down here. And then we want to manage the add-ins. And we can go take a look at the Excel add-ins right here. And it'll bring up a checkbox, and we want to make sure that the Solver add-in is checked. If it's not checked, make sure to click it and add the check it box. When you click OK, if you've changed it to be checked, it'll take a second or two to install. And we can go ahead and take a look at that by going up to the menu right here and the data menu, and I will bring this over a little bit right here. If we take a look at the full data menu, you can see that under this analysis area, now we have this Solver option right here. Again, so we went to either File or Preferences, Options within that, and went to Add-ins, took a look at the Excel add-ins, and made sure that the Solver add-in was in fact checked.